Imagine a moment when the unstoppable Bruce Lee actually broke down in front of someone. The man who seemed invincible, who defeated countless opponents, was about to face a fight that would shake him to his core. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a story from Bruce Lee's life that almost nobody talks about. A fight that wasn't just physical but emotional, and it taught Bruce Lee one of the most powerful lessons of his life. Stick around because you won't believe the ending. December 1964. Bruce Lee walked into a room and walked out a completely different man. What happened in those 20 minutes changed martial arts forever, and almost nobody knows the truth. Before we begin, this is not another fake Bruce Lee story. Everything you're about to hear is documented in Linda Lee's biography, eyewitness accounts, and Bruce's own writings. Let me take you back to the fight that made Bruce Lee question everything he knew. San Francisco, 1964. Bruce Lee had just opened his martial arts school in Oakland. He was teaching kung fu to non-Chinese students, something that broke the old traditions. The local Chinese martial arts community was furious. One day, a group of traditional masters issued an ultimatum: stop teaching non-Chinese students or face a challenge match. If Bruce lost, he'd have to close his school forever. The challenger, Wang Jackman, a highly skilled Northern Shaolin Kung Fu practitioner, backed by the entire traditional martial arts establishment. Bruce accepted. But here's what most people don't know. Bruce Lee's wife, Linda, was 8 months pregnant with their first child, Brandon. The stress was unbearable. This wasn't just a fight, this was his entire future on the line. The rules? No rules. Fight until someone couldn't continue. December 1964. A small room, no cameras, only a handful of witnesses. The fight started. Bruce moved with his signature speed, chain punches, straight blasts, exactly what he'd been teaching. Wang Jackman retreated, using traditional Northern Shaolin footwork. But here's where everything changed. Bruce expected to end it in seconds, but Wang kept moving, evading, circling. 1 minute passed, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Bruce felt something he'd never felt before in a real fight: exhaustion. His lungs burned, his arms felt heavy. Wang Jackman was still standing, and in that moment, Bruce Lee, the man who believed he was the fastest, most efficient fighter alive, realized a devastating truth. Bruce shifted strategy. He abandoned traditional techniques. He grabbed Wang, drove him to the wall, and unleashed everything: punches, elbows, whatever worked. No style, no forms, pure effectiveness. Wang Jackman's friends stopped the fight. Bruce had won. But as everyone left the room, Bruce didn't celebrate. He sat down, head in his hands, and according to Linda, he broke down. Not because he lost, but because he almost lost everything that mattered. He was exhausted after just 3 minutes. What if the fight had gone longer? What if he had lost in front of his pregnant wife? What if he had to close his school and abandon his students? That night changed Bruce Lee forever. And here's the proof. Within weeks, Bruce started documenting everything. He filled notebooks analyzing what went wrong. Classical techniques don't work in real combat. Tradition is the enemy of progress. Too much muscle, not enough cardio. He revolutionized his training. Threw out 90% of traditional Wing Chun techniques. Started running 3 to 5 miles daily, unheard of for martial artists then. Began weight training, considered taboo in Kung Fu. Developed what would become Jeet Kune Do, the way of the intercepting fist. But here's what makes this story truly powerful. Bruce didn't cry because he was weak. He cried because he was honest enough to see his limitations, brave enough to admit he wasn't perfect, and strong enough to completely reinvent himself. Most people defend their failures. Bruce studied his victories. He won that fight, but treated it like a loss. And that is why he became legendary. Think about this. Without that emotional breaking point, there's no Jeet Kune Do, no Enter the Dragon, no modern MMA, because Bruce's philosophy directly influenced fighters like Muhammad Ali, Chuck Norris, and every UFC champion today. One fight, one breakdown, changed martial arts forever. So the next time you face a challenge that brings you to your knees, remember Bruce Lee sitting in that room, questioning everything. True strength isn't never falling. It's what you build after you do. If this story hit different, smash that subscribe button. We're uncovering more documented Bruce Lee moments that changed history. Comment below, what's your Wong Jack Man moment? The challenge that forced you to evolve. And remember what Bruce wrote after that fight. To hell with circumstances. I create opportunities. Now go create yours.